Hello everyone. Today I will deal with the topic Louisa's Liberation, a voyage from separation to self discovery. These are my personal information. This is the topics which I delve deeper into this presentation. So let's first discuss about Hard Times. It written by Charles Dickens and it published in 1854. It falls under the category of novel. We can see that it deal with the subject like social commentary and criticism of the industrial revolution. And we can find the setting of the story is a fictional town, Cocktown, which is situated in England during the industrial revolution. Let's see about Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens was born on 7th February in 1812 in Landport, England, and he died on 9th June in 1870 in Gates Hill Place, England. He was famous novelist and journalist and social critic of his era, and is known for his writing popular novels and exposed the social and economic injustice of Victorian England, such as Oliver Twist, David Copperfield, and A Tale of Two Cities. So let's discuss about we have in these hard times many characters, but today I will deal with character Louisa. I believe that she is the most important character of this play, of this novel. Sorry, Louisa is a character in the novel, and we can say that major character in the novel. She faces challenges in expressing herself. She is not introvert, but she just grew up like that. That she cannot express herself, her thoughts, her feelings with anyone. She struggles with emotional confusion. Her character is introduced through her interactions with her father. We can see that her father, Mr. Great Grand, pressurize her, and he also believe in only facts, facts, and facts. So she cannot that express her imaginative ideas and feelings. So let's discuss Louisa's separation. We can find initial repression that Louisa as a character who lacks self-expression and emotional and confusion. In the beginning, we can find that Louisa is there is a scene of a school, and we can find that Mr. Great Grand also believes that there is a only one truth is a fact, fact, and fact. So there is a no need of any emotional or any fiction, emotional or an imaginative world. So Louisa also face that problems for self expression, or she feels emotional confusion. Louisa's lexical choices, and especially in her speech with her father, it reflects her emotional state and inability to express herself. She can easily express herself toward with her brother, but she cannot express herself with her father. Louisa has a trouble expressing herself. We can say that she cannot openly say that I want to do that, or imagine I want to fly in the imaginations sky of imagination. She experiences emotional confusion. This is evident in her word choices, especially when talking to her father in circus. We can find that her father scolds her that why you are here in this circus. So in that scene, we can find that this type of repression. The transformation of Great Grand and Louisa. We can find that not only Louisa's character transformed by as novel move forward, but we can find the transformation of Great Grand also. Great Grand and Louisa both undergo development, and Great Grand's speech with Louisa in chapter 15. Chapter 15 name has a father and daughter, in which we can find that Louisa confronts towards her father, and that she and tells that I am not happy in my marriage, and she just tell her emotion. She express her emotion. Great Grand uses emotionally connecting language to discuss boundary-based marriage proposal with Louisa. Louisa's inability to express herself and emotional lows are evident in her speech. And Great Grand's dynamicity in is seen sorry, in his inclination towards using persuasive language instead of directive language. He just play the word game with Louisa. Louisa's awakening, a shift towards empowerment. At the end of the novel, we can find that Louisa is unhappy in her marriage life. So Louisa's marriage to Bounderby is unsuccessful. We all know that, and her marital home resembles her father's in its strict adherence to facts. Loveless marriage with Bounderby makes Louisa susceptible to Mr. Harthouse seduction. That he just suspect that she has affair with Harthouse. Louisa and Harthouse decide to flee together, but Louisa just think about, and her sound reasoning leads her to that no, I am very safe at my father's house. Both Louisa and her father undergo significant change. We can see through the novel. At the conclusion, we can say that Louisa's story shows how she went from being controlled and unable to express herself to finding her own identity. At first, we can say her father's strict teachings and lack of emotion held her back to express her feelings, her imagination. But through her interactions with her brother and her growing ability to express herself, she expressed firstly in front of her brother Tom, and then she grew her personality. She discovered her own potential. Louisa's journey reminds us that even in tough situations, people can find their way to freedom and self-discovery. These are some references. Thank you. If you have any question, feel free to ask.
My question is, how does Louisa's upbringing suppress her individuality and personal growth at the beginning of the movie?
Yes, Nanda. As I mentioned in my presentation, that Louisa was from childhood. She was we can say that she was stopped by her father due to any societal norms, and we can find that she just stop herself to express her feelings and emotions. So her individuality and personal growth at beginning of the novel, we can find that this type of, she cannot express herself and her feelings, that she wants to live like a sissy, but she cannot live like her because of her father. So her, we can say that her upbringing also affect her. Okay, any other question?
How does Louisa's path from separation to self-discovery impact other character and overall narrative in Heart Times?
Yeah, we can find that Louisa's path from separation to self-discovery impact other characters also. We can find that at first her father is very strict, and he just believe in fact. There is no elements like emotions and imagination. But when his daughter just confess that I am not happy with your decision, I am not happy with your this type of norms like facts, and I am unhappy in my married life. So at that time, and when she falls and at that time he just know that no, I am wrong, and my all decisions are not every time correct, but I am also wrong at my beliefs. Yes, it impact other characters also. We can find that when she just stop herself to express that I don't like it. So her father also just marry her with Mr. Bounderby, but he even not ask her that you want to marry him or not. At that time we can find that That is the very beginning very beginning in that type of character we found in very beginning of the novel. But at last, when she expressed that I want this, at that time we can find that um, Mr. Great Grand changes her heart for her daughter. So we can say that it impacts other character also. Okay, thank you.